Hello everyone, welcome back to yet another learning experience with me in my channel Audiology with Khwaja. In this series of videos, we will be seeing about the hearing aid batteries, and in this specific video, it is about the history of hearing aid batteries. Let's get into it. The history of the hearing aid batteries goes in parallel with the history of the hearing aid itself. From the first electric hearing aid, the acouphone in the carbon era, to vactophone in the vacuum tube era, to sonotone in transistor era. And from the first one-piece eyeglass transistor hearing aid, the Otarian listener, to first wearable, commercially available digital hearing aid, the Audiotone System 2000, the hearing aid batteries have reduced in size considerably. The voltage requirement of the hearing aid played an important role in the reduction of the battery sizes. Vacuum tube hearing aids had two types of batteries, type A and type B. The type A batteries are 3 volts earlier and then become 1.5 volt, and they were used to power the vacuum tube filaments. Type B batteries are used to power the plate circuit to amplify the sound, and they were as high as 90 volts. They became 45 then, 30, 22.5, and finally became 15 volts. However, when we shifted to the transistor era, the transistor hearing aids had a much lower voltage requirements, and that's where we saw the emergence of the button batteries. The bigger batteries available for the current hearing aid, the 675 battery, was introduced in early 1950s. They were not zinc air at the time. Hope you could see the difference between the two. The older ones don't have the holes to let the air inside. They were carbon zinc hearing aid batteries, then they became mercury. Because of the environmental hazards, the mercury batteries were then changed to the silver oxide batteries. When the prices of the silver went up, also the introduction of the silicon-based transistor that required even lesser voltage, we saw the emergence of the zinc air batteries. Dr. Wayne Stab in his article mentions that there were at least 60 different battery shapes and sizes of hearing aid batteries. In our next video, we will see about the 4 types of batteries that made its way successfully to this decade. Stay tuned.